This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial, or personal advice. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Friday the 25th of May. My name is Matt Brown and this is the Daily Market Update. We're going to take a quick look at the leading indices around the world. Starting off with the FTSE, it closed 83 points up overnight, or 1.6%. We can see that there's a short-term consolidation over the last few trading sessions, but we're still in a continued downwards trend, so we haven't seen sufficient renewal of buyer demand yet to change that trend. We'll have a look at the German DAX. Very similar story. The German DAX, this candlestick for overnight, still needs to be updated a little bit, but it was up 30 points, or 0.5%. So again, we have a short-term consolidation just over the last few sessions. And in France, the CAC 40, it closed up 35 points, or 1.1%. So some strong buyer renewal there on the French leading index. In the US, the Dow Jones staged a late-day recovery to close 33 points up, or 0.3%. The S&P 500, it too was up slightly, 1.8 points, or 0.1%, so barely any real movement there. As we can see on the chart, we've got a mild upwards shift over the last few days, but this is weakening buyer activity in through here. So again, we're not seeing a strong drive from the buyers. In technology stocks, the Nasdaq was actually down, so it underperformed the broader markets in the US. It was down 10 points, or 0.4%. This has led to the VIX index, or volatility index, to retrace slightly. It was down 79 cents, or 3.5%. We can see that after this strong rally and this upwards break just a couple of weeks ago, we're now seeing volatility drop out of the markets just a little bit. So that fear is leaving the markets. And on the local markets, the ASX 200 closed down 12 points at 4,055. We can see that that's a continuation of the current downwards trend. But the SPY futures, based on overnight activity, are up slightly. They're up 17 points. And as we can see off this chart, that may hold some potential support down around this 40-50 level. So we'll see how the end of the week transpires, and we'll have a great weekend away. And we'll come back on Monday to see if there's any potential for some further consolidation. We'll wish you all the best of trading, and look forward to speaking to you on Monday.